is about drivers in this fucking retarded country. But it's going like 30 below the fucking speed limit. You can fucking pass it, for fuck's sake. So one fucktard at the front of this line is like, oh, I don't want to pass things. Oh my god, it's so dangerous. I'm gonna die. I'm so useless. Oh my god, why do I have a driver's license? Ah! Because that one fucktard behind the fucking plow won't pass. The guy behind him who's like, I'm okay with passing, but I don't know about passing 2 cars in such a tight area. He's fucked. The guy behind him is like, okay, I can pass, but I can't pass 3 fucking vehicles in such a tight area. It's too dangerous. The guy behind him is like, yeah, there's no way I'm getting past. The guy behind him's probably another little bitch. Oh my god, I can't even do driving. And then, like, there's 18 other fucking people behind him, including me, who could fucking pass. Quite a few of these fucks. But I can't, because there's like fucking 50 of them. And now there's a nice long line behind me. God damn, there should be a motherfucking fine. There is actually, driving too slowly. In this case, it wouldn't apply because of the goddamn snowplow. But there needs to be, like, every single car in this fucking line should be allowed to smack the fuck about, just fucking, they should be allowed to smack the prick in the car that's holding us up. Like, and it's not the snowplow. The snowplow realizes what's going on. He's trying to get you to pass him. He's fucking pulled to the side so that cars can go by. It is not the snowplow's fault. It's the fucking idiot that has no business driving at the front of the fucking queue, not passing the fucking plow. Like, god damn it. What kind of fucking retard thinks, okay, well, there's room to pass. He's going 30 below the limit, but there's 400 people behind me. I think I'm just gonna sit here and fuck everyone's day up. Like, god fucking damn. It's like, no, if you cannot confidently pass a slow-moving fucking car, you have no goddamn business with a motherfucking driver's license.